Well, hello there, and good evening, everyone. I'm William Brantley from the North Jackson, Tennessee area at the University Village Apartments on Walker Road, getting ready, or am ready, to share with you yesterday's and today's climate summary and give you a forecast for the next few days momentarily. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and proceed with yesterday's climate data, then today's, and then show you a few graphs, and that'll be it, I guess. I'm going to give you the 7 o'clock p.m. observation. I'm running a little later than normal, but oh well. At 7 p.m., the skies was mostly clear here in North Jackson. The temperature was 70 degrees. The dew point was 62 degrees. The humidity was 76%. The wind was calm. And barometric pressure was 30.11 inches of mercury. Alrighty, there we go. Now I can step back a little bit. And today's low temperature was 61 degrees. Today's high was 85 degrees. And that still ain't good enough. Isn't good enough weather for me to sit back. That's a little bit better. Alright, today's high, like I said, was 85 degrees. Had no rainfall here since midnight, of course. The lowest humidity today was 44% at 3 p.m. The highest would be 100% at 1 a.m. Today's lowest barometric pressure was 30.11 inches, and that occurred at 4, 5, and 7 p.m. And today's highest pressure was 30.26 inches, and that occurred at 12 a.m. Today's highest wind gust was 12 miles per hour out of the south at 10:43 a.m. And guess what? I forgot to give you yesterday's information. I'll do that now. Low temperature was 61 degrees yesterday. Yesterday's high was 85 degrees. Hey, we had a same high yesterday and today. How about that? No rainfall yesterday, of course. I'm still holding at no rain for October so far. And for the year, I'm sitting at 41.19 inches. Normal was 39.73 inches for the year. Yesterday's highest temperature in West Tennessee was 85 degrees at the National Weather Service Forecast Office in Memphis and here in North Jackson. And 55 degrees would be the coolest low yesterday morning, and that was at Lexington, Tennessee. Today's records for October the 5th, I'm reading off my notes, by the way. This right here, in case you're wondering what I'm reading off of. I'll just let you kind of get an idea of what it looks like. October 5th's records for Jackson and North Jackson, of course. 93 degrees would be the hottest high in 1951. Coolest high would be 62 in 1964. The warmest low would be, maybe I should set up. I forgot about the microphone, might be a little weak. I don't know if it is or not. Warmest low would be 71 in 2013, and coldest low would be 33 degrees in 1999, and the rainfall record would be 2.01 inches in 1959. Okay, I may still try to get a local on the 8s off of the Weather Channel to insert in my reports if they show one while I'm doing this recording. Right now, they're busy with commercials, which I'm not interested in advertising here. Alrighty, I'll go ahead and show you a few graphs. I'll go ahead and show you the official track by the National hurricane center about Tropical Storm Nate, and it's as of 7 p.m. Eastern time, or 8 p.m. Eastern time weather, and 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So maximum sustained wind is at 40 miles per hour. It's barely a tropical storm at the moment, or storm. And I think that's where it's at right now. Where you see that X. Yeah, you can barely see the X. Right here, way on down there. It's right here. And it's going to remain a tropical storm till it gets on up here and into the Gulf of Mexico. Let me see if I can bring this map down just, well, that'd be good enough. As you can see, it's going to be a hurricane somewhere along in here, sort of near the central Gulf of Mexico, around 2 p.m. Saturday afternoon, and probably make landfall around in here, right near New Orleans. Be near New Orleans or Mobile, Alabama, or should that say Mobile? What is that city? Biloxi, Mississippi. That's on the coast, isn't it? Somewhere between Louisiana and Alabama, put it that way. As a hurricane, probably. And then it'll be near Jackson, Mississippi by 2 p.m. Sunday, which is still south of us. And then then it's going to take off to the east, it looks like, from down here near Jackson, Mississippi, which is right here, as a tropical storm. And then it's going to head off northeast now. Looks like it may be going right over Chattanooga, east of Nashville, Chattanooga, possibly Knoxville, and then on up as a tropical depression near West Virginia, and actually, that'd be in Virginia. Let me see if I can get this map up a little higher so you can see it better without shaking like the devil. Alright, I'm letting loose already. Right here by 2 p.m. Monday in West Virginia, and as a tropical depression in Connecticut near Boston, Massachusetts by 2 p.m. next Tuesday. Well, that's doing some fast moving, my friends. All the way from here, down here at 8 p.m. tonight, all the way up to here to Boston, Massachusetts by 2 p.m. Tuesday afternoon. That's doing some moving, my friends. Now, this is the official track, and it can be anywhere from that left side to the right side of the cone. If it takes the left side, it's going to come right over Jackson. If it takes to the right side, it's going to head more toward Raleigh, North Carolina. So that's a wide range in there that it could be taken. But assuming it takes this track and goes down the center, it's going to go to the east of Jackson. But then again, yesterday, I believe, wasn't it over a little bit to the right? They wasn't going toward Panama City, California. Panama City, Florida, yesterday about this time. Now it's projected to be near New Orleans. So within 24 hours, it went from roughly right in here to way over here. Tomorrow, who knows? This is the projection as of right now. I'll put that away. Alright. Let me move on to a little closer to home information. How about the Doppler radar? Well, this is a funny looking one tonight, courtesy of AccuWeather. It looks like it's raining all over the place, don't it? It's not. Usually it's a clear picture when there's no precipitation, but there's been some Obviously, some radar blimps and errors causing a bunch of little green spots around the various radars around the southeast. And I think you can make out where it's actually raining. We see those red and orange places. And on the way out here, we see the red and orange and those greens away from the sites. That's actual rain. So it's really raining. It really is raining up there in northern Missouri, southeast South Dakota, Nebraska, I think that is, or South Dakota, one or the other, and southern Iowa. But all these other blots like this, that's all false echoes. Okay, and basically that meaning Tennessee's in the clear. When that disappears, you can see it better. Tennessee's in the clear. No precipitation in the state of Tennessee tonight, so far. Alright, let's move on to the regional satellite enhanced version. And that kind of shows it a little bit better, actually. Hardly no clouds in the southeastern, most of the southeast at least. A few little high thin clouds going by through West Tennessee and northern Middle Tennessee, some over in Arkansas, a little thicker up there in Missouri near St. Louis and points north, but they're moving east, going around us. There's some clouds down in southern Florida with some scattered showers and storms down there in southern Florida, near Miami and Key West and those areas. Won't affect us, of course. And that's pretty much it as far as the satellite goes. Got one more good sunny day going, and maybe half of Saturday. That's what I'm thinking, anyways. Alright, let me move on to the current map, courtesy of the Weather Channel. That map shows Tennessee in the clear, as you can see from right here. There's high pressure to our northeast up in Pennsylvania right here. There's a long front, stationary front that goes to our north, to a low right here in Nebraska, and that stretches down to another low in southeast Colorado, and a little bit of rain attached to it out there in Oklahoma. And there you see the rain up there we were just looking at, Wisconsin, Iowa, and Minnesota. Some up there in the southern parts of Iowa, as we saw just a moment ago. A little bit of rain up there possible, up there in eastern sections of Pennsylvania. Doesn't show the rain down in Florida too good, so it must be very isolated down there. There's a trough of low pressure going through the northern parts of the state, with the low off of the west coast of Cuba. That is not Nate, though. Nate's down a little further. And there you see the features across the other parts of the country, the lows and where the precipitation is. And overall, the country's not that bad a shape. A few spots of heavy rain. But right now, it's fairly dry, especially here in Tennessee. Alrighty, let me move on to the forecast then. And it's based upon Tropical Storm Nate affecting us by about Sunday. Maybe as early as Saturday night, but it should end by Monday, even though we have chances of rain in the forecast through Tuesday. And I just saw a local on the 8s, and I forgot all about it. It's done too far gone, so I'm not going to worry about it. Forecast for tonight, mostly clear for the most part through tomorrow. The sun will be setting tonight, like I mentioned earlier. I already did, at 6:33 p.m. and be rising tomorrow morning at 6:54 a.m. The moon rose this evening at 6:54. I tell you what I need to do, put it back on me. I knew that's something I was forgetting. Oh my goodness. I've got somebody else in mind that the reason I done that. Facebook Live, to be honest with you, but this is YouTube, not Facebook Live. All right, let me go back to what I was saying. I think the moon rose at 6:54 p.m., sets tomorrow morning at 6:35 a.m., and yes, we do have a complete full moon tonight. It's going to be beautiful. And we're going to be a beautiful day tomorrow, too. Mostly clear skies with a low near 56 degrees, high of 88 degrees, with south winds at about 5 to 15 miles per hour. On Saturday, it looks like the weather's going to start breaking down after noon at least. And it looks like it's going to be fair till noon, though. Then becoming mostly cloudy with an 80% chance of showers and thunderstorms, especially toward Saturday night. Maybe a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms during the afternoon hours, but about 80% by Saturday night. With the low near 68 and a high of 86 on Saturday, with south winds at 15 to 25, and that rain could be the result of Tropical Storm Nate. And by the time it gets here, it's going to move so fast. Sunday looks like going to be the biggest chance, though. Mostly cloudy skies with a 90% chance of showers and thunderstorms on and off. Still won't be constant, though. With a low near 71 and a high of 80, with south winds of 5 to 15 miles per hour. And on Monday, it looks like it's going to be continued mostly cloudy with a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms, with a low near 69 and a high of 85, with southwest winds at 10 to 20. Now that forecast may change a little bit, depending upon the exact speed and track of Nate. Okay, and on Tuesday, very cloudy, with a 60% chance of more showers, but becoming fair by Tuesday night, with a low near 68 and a high of 82. And next Wednesday is going to be fair all day, mostly clear. Next Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday weather. With a low Wednesday morning near 63 and a high of 82. And Thursday, low near 59 and a high of 77. And that's pretty much it for tonight, folks. It looks like we're going to have a fair night tonight and a fair day tomorrow and a fair Saturday morning before the rain sets in, if the Nate moves as projected, and we'll be playing around with some chances for rain all the way through Tuesday before it comes mostly fair all day next Wednesday. Let's put a nice little quick summary to it, don't it? Well, alrighty. Well, that's it for tonight, folks. Sweet dreams, good night, and I hope everybody wakes up to a beautiful October wake up to a beautiful October 6th, 2017. And I hope, of course, to talk to you again tomorrow night. And until then, it might be a little early tomorrow night, though, because I have a football game to possibly go to tomorrow night. So I might come in a little early. What about that tomorrow night, I guess. All right. Well, good night and God bless. And we'll talk to you tomorrow night. Bye-bye.